Turning scientific discoveries into new medicines. Now that's what a new centre in Singapore is set up to do. For a start, the Experimental Drug Development Centre, well, it's focusing on treatments for cancers that are commonly found in Asia. Deborah Wong with more.
4% of Singapore's GDP and over 22,000 workers. The biomedical sector is a key pillar in Singapore's economy. It's also a global hub, with 40% of the world's top medicines being manufactured here. Despite its stature, the biomedical sector, or BMS, still faces issues like rising costs and a lack of expertise. The EDDC, though, aims to fill one particular role, getting the best in the business, from scientists to researchers, to work together.
Given that collaboration is key to creating greater value. The circulation of talents across academia, healthcare institutions, the private sector and government agencies is therefore critical for strengthening partnerships and collaboration within the BMS ecosystem.
One of the challenges that our system faces is that we do not have enough people who are actually familiar how to make drugs. So centers like EDDC play a very critical role in teaching scientists, doctors, clinicians, the entire process of how to actually turn scientific discovery into making a new drug.
The centre will turn discoveries into new medicines. And to aid this effort, 2 agreements were signed. One, to form a consortium to identify the most promising projects in the public sector. And another, to fund them by up to $750,000 each. It hopes the efforts will help meet demand for healthcare around the world, including Asia, whose pharmaceutical market could reach $1.2 trillion in just 5 years.
A lot of the development of drugs have occurred in Western countries, and the drugs and the solutions and the therapies are not always suitable to Asian populations. So, Singapore definitely has a role to play, and we can definitely punch above our weight. It really takes a very dedicated team across Singapore to make sure that our attempts are successful.
For a start, the centre hopes to prioritise drugs for cancers typically found in Asia. Scientists here have already developed one potential drug to do just that.